everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreateAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am doing another resin pour. I have a craft show coming up this next weekend, so I want to try to get some pieces made up. I have quite a few craft shows coming up. So anyway, I'm going to do something fun. This is on a black canvas, a 12 by 24 inch artist loft canvas. I have some mirrored glass down with some glitter and it's resined. I use the barbecue guys. This is monochrome. It's the black. These ones are a little thicker than what I like. I think I've explained that on the other video that I've done previously. These ones are 1/2 inch. They're a little bit bigger than the 1/4 inch is actually the perfect size, especially for, this is a 1/4 inch. I don't know if you can see how thin that is compared to this. So this is the thickness there. So you can see the difference between the two. So the black is quite a bit thicker. So this is a 1/2 inch. So if you order any mirrored glass, you should, try to make sure you get a 1/4 inch. That works the best. But the 1/2 inch works. It's just chunkier. So you're going to have a chunkier clusters, which some people like. I don't mind. So I'm not hating either way. I have some black glitter down on here, and I'm only going to use black and red today on this layer. So I'm using Eye Candy's mica. This is Baku. It's B-A-K-U. I'm terrible at pronouncing these words, but Baku red. It's a really pretty red. And then I'm using Ninja Black, and it's really dark, and it has some beautiful shimmer to it. This is the red. It's gorgeous. Love it. And then the Ninja Black is quite a beautiful color too, but it does have some shimmer to it, so I'm excited about that. Eye Candy has beautiful colors, so if you guys are interested in any colors, I do have a link in the description with also a discount. If you use my link, I think you get, it's either 10 or 15% off your order. Yeah. And so I think I'm going to start off with the red. Hopefully it doesn't puddle, because I didn't put anything under here like I probably should have. But we'll see what happens.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all, because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah.
Alright, everybody, I'm back. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. I had to do some work on it to get the bottom, because it does have a bar going through the middle, a wood, part of the canvas, but it was really starting to puddle down and literally had like nothing up on my edges, especially this side for some reason. So I had to get some cups to put under there with a couple popsicle sticks, so it was kind of a mess, but I'm gonna leave it the way it is, and then we will come back to do the lines. Okay, so we're gonna do our next layer. I'm actually gonna, you can kind of see how it must have been tilting somehow or another. I leveled it off, so I'm pretty sure it was okay, but maybe because I kept um putting some stuff underneath to keep it from sagging, that um it wasn't gonna do that. But anyway, so we're gonna put on another layer here. And I actually have a different red that I'm going to use this time, because this one kind of looks more pinkish. And this one is from some mica powders that I got from Amazon called Rolio, I believe. Rolio. And this is Scarlet Red. So start painting on our lines. And what did I do with my little paintbrush? So I'm going to start off here with the gold. I'm going to take the gold around my edges here. I mixed up, look at how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. So I mixed up a little bit of this red scarlet that I Rolo, the mica powder that I used on here. And then I mixed in a little bit of Eye Candy's Fudo Fire glitter. Look at how pretty that is. So I mixed those two together for that. And then for the black, I did the black mica with a little bit of the Eye Candy's. There's no way I'm going to be able to pronounce that. But it's just the black glitter. Look at how beautiful that is. Hopefully I have it in the right place. Oh, I love this. I love it, love it, love it. Love it. All right, so I'm going to stop that. Then I will bring you back when we put the top coat on, and then decide if I want to put spikes in it. But this is beautiful. So pretty. I love this red with the glitter. Is everything. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Hopefully you can get a good look at that, because that is so pretty. All right, but we'll stop for now, and then we'll bring you back when it's time to put the top coat on. All right, everybody, we're back to do the next layer. Grabbing some gloves here, sorry about that. So we're back to do our final top layer, and I have my resin all mixed up. I'm using KS resin. It's equal parts hardener and equal part resin. Mostly my resin art and mostly my beach pours. Coasters I did really well with. I also do wrapped necklaces now with crystals and bracelets, and I did sell some of those too as well, so that was kind of nice. But I think I'm good. I think I like it. It's really cool. My daughter says it looks like lava. My son says he loves it, but he doesn't like the gold in there, but I think the gold is kind of cool. I didn't do too much, and I went through and put the red glitter around, so it kind of broke it up. So I like it. I think I like it. So let me bring you down for a close-up. The micas have so much sparkle in them. You know that big blue piece, if you follow me, I did a little bit back here. A really big blue piece that I said was like my favorite. That one I sold. Everybody loved that one. And then the beach one sold really well too, so. But I'm really pleased with this. I like how it does look like lava in there. Because of the red and black glitter in there. But you guys will have to tell me what you think. I do appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry about the light from up above. I hope you guys will hit that notification bell and come back and be notified. It'll notify you when I put up my next videos. And like and subscribe and share. That will help my channel out tremendously. I got to get to 1,000 to get monetized, and I need a few more watch hours. So if you could watch all the way through, which if you're here, you did, thank you so much. But I appreciate you guys watching. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe, and just healthy in general and safe from COVID. It's still out there rearing its ugly face. Just be safe, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.